Hello, today talk about my favorite IT object. This is my laptop. This one is Acer Aspire 7. I had it for about half a year. Um, it had a color of black and silver, so it looked very modern and professional. This laptop is made by aluminum and weighs 2.1 kilogram, so it's not only very light but also strong and durable. Its screen size is 50.6 inch, so it's very comfortable for studying and entertaining. I like this laptop because it works fast, look nice, and help me with my study and daily tasks.